This is Dr. Walt with Insights for MCTV. Over the history of mankind, we've become used to a world ocean that covers 3/4 of our planet. Our cities have frequently been built on the shoreline. Our commerce uses it for world trade. That's why the news that the ocean levels are rising is particularly unsettling. Only 1/3 of that rise is new water from melting glaciers or snowfields. The other 2/3 is simply swelling of cubic miles of vast cold ocean water by a slight rise in temperature of only 0.2 of a degree centigrade. It doesn't take much imagination to realize what a rising ocean means eventually for cities like San Francisco, nor to worry about our own Mendocino coast, its ports, and its rivers. Evidence for this rise is in the image behind me, showing millions of satellite measurements which use extremely accurate laser altimeters. The world ocean rise averages about 2.4 millimeters per year. Recent corrections indicate it's now more like 3 millimeters a year. Now, I wouldn't blame a listener if they thought that such a small distance doesn't matter. After all, it's just a few fingernails thickness. In reply, I'd urge them to do two things. The first is to multiply it by 40 years. That makes it about 4 inches of vertical rise. Next, please realize the extreme slopes of the world's beaches. Most of the beaches have a slope of 200 to 250 to 1. That means that 4 inches of vertical rise moves the high tide line inland 66 feet. Now, we all know what 66 feet looks like. That's Dr. Walt with Insights for MCTV.